Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute giraffe. You'll need something to draw with. Let's begin. To start, we're going to go from the top of the page and a little bit down, and we're going to make an oval shape. So I'm going to start right here in the middle, making my way around, down, and back up again. And if your oval shape isn't perfect like mine, it's okay, because mine isn't that perfect either. All right, so we have our oval shape. Now we need to make an N shape on the top. There you go. You can either go one way or the other, however you feel comfortable. But we're going to make a nice big N right on top of that oval. Super! Next, we're going to make the ears. So I'm going to start on the left-hand side, making another N shape, going up. And this one's going to be a little bit more narrow and down and much shorter. Okay, now we're going to do another N shape on the other side, going up and down. Let's see, up and around and down. Woohoo! Awesome. Okay, we're almost done with the ears. We're going to make a little flap because we want to show that it's ears and that they're three-dimensional. It's going to go up and a little bit of a curve to the top. So you see, go up and there's that little curve right there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So this time I'm going to go up to down. There you go. You can draw however you feel comfortable. You don't have to do exactly what I do. So we're going to go up right now and make the antlers, and then we're going to go up again. And that's one little antler. And we're going to make a circle on the top. And circle on the top. And we're going to make another cute antler on the other side, kind of making these diagonal lines. You can make your line straight up too. There you go. And let's make a circle. And wrap around. And there. Awesome! We're done with the head. Let's get some facial features. So I'm going to make a cute little N shape right there for one eye, and then make another N shape for the other eye. And let's make a cute little nose by making a tiny little oval shape right there. Going upward, another oval shape on the other side. And we'll color that in black in a little bit. So next we're going to make the body. So I'm going to go straight from here, and it's like a curved line. So I'm going to go down, start to curve, and down. Because we want to show that really long neck. Now I'm going to do it again on the other side. So starting off narrow, going straight, and then curve, and then in. Let's start making these legs. So we're going to kind of go up and down, really wavy. So I'm going to start with going sideways and then a little up. So see, sideways and then a little up. And I'm going to go a little curve and down. Then I'm going to go sideways again. And then we're going to curve it up and down. Curve up and down and make an N shape. Up and down. And we're going to close that gap by just making another line across. Well, there's only 3 legs, but a giraffe has 4 legs. So let's get that 4th leg in there. And it's going to go in between right there. Super! A giraffe also has a little tail. So we're going to make a little line up, going up, and then another little line going up, and then 3 little N shapes. 1, 2, and 3. Let's add a few details. I'm going to make some circles, and you can make as many circles as you want, because giraffes have little spots on them, and they're usually organic shapes. An organic shape isn't a circle, but I'm going to make my giraffe have some circles. And to make it more realistic looking, I'm going to have it go a little off the body by making half circles. That's one half circle. I'm going to make another half circle right here. And a tiny one right over here on the neck. That's it. We're all done drawing our giraffe and we are ready to color. I hope you had fun drawing with me today and I can't wait to see what you create. Let's get ready to color! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.